Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss assignment number 6 and the topic the world of microorganisms part 1. Let us discuss one by one question. The first question, how microorganisms are useful in our daily life. Okay, in our daily life, as we can use that microorganisms for the preparation of the food especially idli, dosa, and we can make it as a cakes. All these are the as food purposes. When comes to the top the industrial wise, as we can, it will be very useful for the production of antibiotics also. Some of the medicines also produced by the microorganisms. Okay, so let us go for that of writing answers. So microorganisms are useful in our daily life preparation of food, that is idli, dosa, dough preparation. Okay, so making dough. Okay, and it is also etc. as we can write cakes. Okay, and it is also useful for the medicines, for the production of this medicines, as in the part of antibiotics. Okay, this is what about useful in our daily life. Let us go further of next question. The next question is, what changes do you observe in the dough when we are making that dough for the preparation of the cakes, or else for the preparation of that the bread and all? When we are using that, one of the microorganism which is nothing but fungi, that is yeast. So we can write down that yeast is very useful for the making of bread, cakes. Okay, and for this especially we will make that a dough. So because of adding of this yeast to the dough, it just increases its volume. Volume will be increased. Okay, and that this will be because of this yeast which is produces the CO2 is responsible for the making holes in the bread and smoothness softens that bread. Okay, so this is what the changes, as we can see that by the adding of the yeast to the dough, it will be increases its volume, and the CO2 which is produced by the yeast which causes that the holes and all, and that air gaps, as we can see that in the bread, and it will just gives that a taste also. Okay, so let us go for the next question. The next question is, what is fermentation? The fermentation is here the sugar molecules here which are converting into that of alcohol. So that is also by the in the presence of that yeast only. So as we will write that answer. So the definition for the fermentation is, sugar gets converted into alcohol by yeast. Okay, so this is what the definition of the fermentation. Okay, so let us go for the next question. The next question, how is ethyl alcohol is prepared? So here in the sugar industry, molasses will be used for the as a source of for the growth of the yeast, and it just convert that the glucose source into that of alcohol, and this alcohol is separated by the fractional distillation by these the methods and all, and this is very useful for that of a preparation of alcohol. this yeast. Okay, so let us write that the answer how this alcohol is prepared. First we will take that molasses which is used, molasses from the sugar industries. Molasses from the sugar industries which convert glucose into alcohol by adding yeast. Okay, so this is what. Let us go for that of next question. The next question, which is responsible for the converting of milk into the curd? Which organism is responsible here? They are asking that a question. Lactobacillus is responsible here for the converting milk into the curd. Lactobacillus bacteria is responsible for converting milk into curd. Okay, so that's all for this assignment. Hope you understand. Thank you.